Imagine waking up tomorrow, and the Earth has stopped spinning. No warning, no explanation, just silence, and then chaos. Our planet rotates at more than 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. That spin is what gives us day and night, weather patterns, and even helps shape life itself. But what if it suddenly stopped? First, let's talk about momentum. Everything on Earth, buildings, oceans, even you, is moving with the planet's rotation. If Earth came to an instant stop, the ground beneath your feet would halt. But you wouldn't. You, the air, the oceans, cars, skyscrapers, everything would keep hurtling eastward at over 1,000 miles an hour. The result? A global catastrophe. Cities would crumble, oceans would flood entire continents, and anything not anchored to bedrock would be ripped from the ground. But what if Earth didn't stop suddenly? What if it slowed down gradually? That's where things get fascinating. Our day would begin to stretch longer and longer. Instead of 24 hours, imagine days lasting weeks, even months. One half of the planet would bake under relentless sunlight, while the other half would freeze in endless night. Survival would depend on migration. Humanity would have to live in the narrow twilight zone between burning day and frozen darkness. Now let's talk about the atmosphere. Right now, Earth's spin generates powerful winds and jet streams that drive our weather. Without that spin, the atmosphere would start moving differently. Enormous storms would form at the equator and travel directly toward the poles. Weather, as we know it, would collapse into chaos, making farming, travel, and survival far more difficult. And then, the oceans. The centrifugal force from Earth's spin actually pushes water outward, making the Earth slightly fatter at the equator. Stop. The spin and that water would flow toward the poles. Coastlines we know today would vanish. New seas would form in the far north and south, while areas near the equator might dry out into massive deserts. But there's an even bigger problem: the Earth's magnetic field. Right now, our spinning molten core acts like a giant dynamo, creating a magnetic shield that protects us from deadly solar radiation. Without rotation, that shield could weaken or even collapse. Cosmic rays and solar particles would bombard the surface, slowly stripping away our atmosphere and making Earth far less habitable. So, could humans survive? Maybe for a while. Some might adapt in the twilight zones, building shelters underground, using technology to regulate heat and cold, and learning new ways to grow food. But in the long run, survival would be a constant battle against radiation, collapsing ecosystems, and extreme weather. It's terrifying, but also humbling. Because the truth is, the rotation of our planet is the silent rhythm that makes life possible. Without it, Earth wouldn't be the same home we know today. So next time you see the sunrise or feel a cool breeze, remember, it's all thanks to the fact that our world never stops spinning.